Hello and welcome to the vlog. Today is Monday? Tuesday. Yesterday was Labor Day, so I took off yesterday, that's why I was confused. Vlog 11 I believe it is. And we're carving today. Today is a major carve day. I'm trying to knock out, this is this week's production. This is next week's production. We're trying to knock it all out in 1 week. So I'm gonna carve today, carve tomorrow, sand stain poly sealer Thursday, shipping out everything on Friday. So that's the plan. Check out the detail on this emblem. These are extremely difficult to get right. That's yeah. Okay, then back to our biker sign. Our famous biker Wolfgang Viereck is getting his Stammtisch sign. I decided to make the base an American country outline. You just saw me programming it, and I'm gonna get it on the machine and get it carved right now. Today is Wednesday morning. I'm about to start my day. So this is what I completed yesterday for Wolfgang's Stammtisch sign, or piston table sign, whatever you want to call it. So we got the United States of America outline, we got Arizona marked here with a star, and so this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to mount this piston on here, and then this is what it's going to look like.